Debbie, I've been noticing a lot of new poke restaurants popping up. Poke originally is a Hawaiian term and it represents sushi in a bowl. And we can do some marvelous things with all kinds of plant-based foods. And today we're concentrating on watermelon sushi bites.
Hi, I'm Debbie.
And I'm Courtney.
Welcome to the home of Almost Vegan Cooking School.
We're going to start off today by making our marinade for our watermelon cubes. We're going to start with a little bit of sesame oil, just 1 teaspoon. And we're going to add some soy sauce, some sriracha. You can use a splash or 2 of sriracha, or if you don't have any sriracha, feel free to use some red pepper flakes. And this is a couple tablespoons of some grapeseed oil. Just any neutral cooking oil will do, but if you prefer to cook without it, you can just go ahead and leave that out. That would work fine. I don't recommend leaving out the sesame oil because that will add a lot of the flavor. Debbie's going to show us how to cube our watermelon, and then we're going to add that to the marinade along with some nori.
Don't forget to subscribe.
I'd like to demonstrate how to prepare our watermelon. This is a baby seedless watermelon, and I'm going to remove the top and the bottom so we have a nice flat surface to work with. Next, I'm going to take off the side, and I'm just cleaning it up a little bit before we start creating our chunks. Cutting it in half. And now we have some nice cubes to work with. And we're going to add that to our marinade. We're going to add some nori. And this is a great source of iodine too, so it's really a good component to put right in. And I'm just taking my scissors right here and cutting off little pieces. I have a cast iron skillet over a medium-high flame, and I'm going to start dropping my chunks of watermelon into this hot skillet. Now this watermelon has been marinating. In this case, it was overnight, but try to do it about 6 hours or whatever. It will become more flavorful. And we're going to let this saute for 10 minutes, and then we're going to come back and flip it. Now, this watermelon is cut rather large because it shrinks by 1/3 or even 50%. And I originally saw a chef doing this in the oven, and it took about 90 minutes, and I wanted to come up with a quicker technique because we were sharing this at VegFest on stage, and this skillet works really well. So I'm just flipping these around now as they cook, and you can kind of see we're getting a caramelized edge. So I'm just standing by the skillet, and I'm flipping the edges so we've got some even temperature cooking. But right now this has been going for about 10 minutes, and I'm going to turn the flame down to low, and I'm going to check it another 10 minutes, but we probably want to go 20 minutes altogether at this point. And now I'm going to take it and just flip it on a plate of black and white sesame seeds. And it's really a fun thing to make. And this is just one ingredient that we are going to be putting in our Hawaiian Watermelon Poke Bowls, which is our cooking class next week.
We love hearing from you. Don't forget to leave a comment.